Oh, wait. The positive goes to the red wire and the negative goes to the black wire. No shocky, please. Man, it's been a long time. I'm recording with my phone right now, so my old vlogging camera to charge. We'll see if that thing fires up or not. Just gotta throw this battery into my John Deere tractor because we're gonna do some things today. It's been about 6 years since I put a video up on YouTube, and a lot has happened between now and then. And I think I'm gonna put a little slideshow with a voiceover. It is extremely windy today, but today is like one of the first nice days. Let's see if this old baby will crank over. Gas is on. Oh yeah, we got gas. All right, contact. Oh yeah. Hey, thanks for blocking the shot. Oh, I'm gonna run over my brand new planted grass. Very important to always let the air out of your air compressor so that water doesn't condense inside of it and rust a hole and blow up. All right, now I gotta find a pin, and I highly doubt that I have a 1/2-inch pin. I wanna see if that little bitty tractor will pull this David Bradley hay rake. Well, that thing was way too big. Contact. Well, that's not good. Oh, come on. Well, I should have known that battery was just a piece of junk. I charged it, and then it started twice. And I was like, sweet, I don't have to buy a new battery. Yeah, apparently once a battery goes bad, there's no bringing it back. Definitely no bringing that one back. So I'm gonna get the jump starter. Oh, I didn't just spend the last 5 minutes precariously balancing my phone on a pile of rocks to get this shot of me jumping the tractor, I guess. A little tiny thing like this can even start a car. Oh yeah. Alright, I don't know how much battery life I have left on my phone, but we'll see if this old girl will get pulled by this old other girl. Watch out. I'm safe to say, I think it's safe to say that it pulls it if it's on flat ground. But if you hit a ditch, you pretty much lose all momentum, and the tires just aren't big enough, nor does the guy weigh enough on it. So I think that's a no-go. Wet, very wet over here. Oh man, and this wind is probably horrible for the audio. What I'm going to be doing out here today is I got to put another hot wire a little bit closer to the ground because these guys aren't respecting the fence. They're going out of it. Note to self, the sunlight is better on your face. High resolution camera, phenomenal. Alright, got a piece of wire. This is going to be like the starter piece. Insulator on it. It's basically just plastic. I'm going to try and not touch the live wire at the moment because it's unpleasant getting shocked. Grab a tensioner. I really should have put the tensioner. Oh well, whatever. I think I'm going to play a dangerous game, and I'm going to let that spool of wire sit in there. I think I'm going to attempt to drive the tractor very slowly and see if I don't have to carry that 75-pound spool of wire. I don't know the weight of it. It's heavy, especially to be walking a half a mile. Take it nice and slow, shall we? Yeah. Woo! That's scary. Alright, and then these things are pretty neat. They're reverse T-post insulators, right? So you gotta wrap it around there. Oops. Get that snap down. And they literally just snap on like that. I don't think I'm gonna hook this on yet, because that is pretty vicious. Right, we have made it all the way to the other end. Pre-installed some isolators for each of the wood posts that I'm gonna have to put a metal staple in, and then I've got all the isolators on the T-post. It's coming together pretty well. Just got to tie this wire off to that post, staple it there, and then go all the way back and put the wires where they go in each isolator. All right, don't touch. Man, I already touched the. Accidentally grounded myself to the shocky wire already. That was phenomenal. Hit me right here in my forearm. Oh, locked it up for a second. It was not delightful. Well, that's pretty tight. Don't touch it, don't touch it. Oh, rats. Yeah, I should probably put on another isolator just for that. Right there. Now all I have to do is, I can't ride the tractor all the way back there. I gotta slide all of these to where they go. They just did the first one. Now I'm gonna do all those ones off of camera, because no one needs to watch me do that, and that's just more editing. All this rain plus the snow melt. Supposed to get a little bit more snow tomorrow. Putting the final touches on it. Probably gonna have to tension this up in a day or so. This one I do want to be nice and tight because I ran it so low to the ground. I don't want it to sag over time and just put all the shocky into the ground. Right. So it's the next day, and not as beautiful out. Still as windy, still just as windy. But I think I'm gonna try and grade the driveway, and then that'll kind of be it for this video. So first, what that entails is I need to reassemble my back blade, because oh, good grief. I disassembled it for easier transport because each piece weighs quite a bit. I had help loading this in. Oh, there goes my bed liner. Oh. Oh, that's not the center of gravity. That's not it either. There it is. And we do the waddle. Oh man. Got my sweater all dusty. Oh, look at that. One magically appeared out of the sky. I'm gonna put my gloves on because I sprayed these bolts down with a lot of WD-40 and well, I'm just tired of my hands being greasy. I mean, I wash them and you wash them and you wash. Okay. That. Now, how does this go back together? I did hit record, right? Not like it's gonna stay clean or anything, but no, that goes on top. I believe. Ow! Hey, well, 2 out of the 4 of the holes line up. This one's the bent one, so we'll just put it in that one. Oh yeah, nothing like a bent bolt. This one has twice the amount of hardware that it needs. And that's fine, you'll have that. Then washer. Very nice. Oh, that's probably copyrighted. That's okay, nobody watches my videos anyways. For it. Lock nut, washer. Oh wait, that doesn't quite seem right, does it? There should be a. Oops. No. Oh no. And that should go like that. And the lock nut was on this side. Because looking at the other one, the one down there, which I don't even know if the camera can hear my voice right now. Just the wear. Well, see, that one's just got the bolt side on it. I don't know. I already took it apart, so I'm just gonna do washer on this side. Lock, washer on this side with the nut. Seems wrong, and it probably is, but it's gonna hold together forever. Oh man, oh rats. Oh no. Well, see, that would be the perfect position if someone was. Me. There we go. There. Oh, good. It fell back out. Phenomenal. And washer. And a new bolt. And if my memory serves me correct, or my dad had a different socket set, it is not an 18. Other one, put the pin in, right, lever, crunk, there we go. Woo! Yeah, please don't fall on me. I put that on there. Oh, Lauren didn't let you out today. Are you hungry or something? Leave that up right now. There you go, power. Okay, you guys gotta turn the gas on. There we go. Doors, please don't slam on me. Contact. Oh, let's try number 2. That'll be a good one. Good speed. nice sharp tilt on the blade with this adjuster right here, so that you can get a nice cut along the edge of the driveway.
The doorbell wasn't working.
Wow, to my surprise, that actually did a very, very nice job of grading the driveway. Had a lot of potholes, and I can't wait to drive on it now. Phil, get out of Herbert's. Fritz, not Herbert. That was a different cow. Yummy, yummy. Hey, don't drown. Well, with that and all the wind, so I'm going to stand over here, hopefully out of the wind. That's going to be it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned, because I'm going to go over this equipment and what I did. I really should have recorded all the stuff while I was working on it, because that's what I watch YouTube videos of. Phil was trying to drink Fritz's milk. So, if you did enjoy this episode, leave a like down below, comment, subscribe, do whatever you want. It's a free country, really. And, it's the best living in the country. At least that's my personal opinion. And wait for it. Goodbye.